In this video, we are going to see how we can import the bookmarks and other settings on Brave browser from some other browser that you were using before, whether it's Google Chrome, whether it's Microsoft Edge. Here's how you can import all the bookmarks and settings from there. So first of all, just go to the hamburger sign, which is these 3 lines, and click on the settings right at the bottom. And from here, just select import bookmarks and settings. Click on that. And let's say that I want to import the bookmark settings of Saad profile from Google Chrome. Just select that. I want to download or import all the browsing history, favorites, bookmarks, and extensions. Click on import. And it says import profile still in use. To import extensions or other, please first close the browser you are importing from. So make sure that you close that browser. After that, just click on try again, show the bookmarks. And here you can see all the other bookmarks are saved properly. And now as you can see that whatever I try to write, even in URL, it has been properly saved and imported from the other browser. So that's a very effective step in order to get Brave browser working and have the access of all the previously saved autofill passwords, the websites that you have browsed, and the bookmarks itself. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.